just want to go over how to soundproof a door jamb. So here's a door jamb. As you can see, we have a couple of pretty big voids, especially on the top. So what I did was I used these foam ropes, or they're also called backer rods. They're also called weather stripping. You find these at Home Depot or Amazon. So I got a bunch of sizes. I got a 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 5/8 inch, and 3/4 inch I got from Amazon. And then what I'm actually using for the very large voids are these pipe insulations. You see these, they have a hole through the center, but that gives two sides of foam insulation for the sound. And what I'm going to be doing is sealing up all these joints with the noise proofing sealant. Let me give you an example. So as you can see here, this is a door that I finished. This compound goes on top of the back rods, and you basically completely seal off any holes that would allow air to escape through, meaning it would allow the sound to escape through. And doing it with the back rod is definitely helpful because you don't have to waste a lot of sealant. The sealant is expensive. So again, just fill it up and run your finger on the bead just to make sure that it's gone into every crevice. All right.